is actually no way. On the previous video I said that if we hit 100 likes and 500 subs, I would do a video showing how to do a skill, and you guys did it. Yeah. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a simple grab move using some starter files for you guys, and I'm gonna try to explain as best as I can, and let's go. You're gonna download the starter files in the description. I think second link probably. First things first, you wanna copy the animation ID and paste it on this plugin called Animation Spoofer. If you don't have, just go in the toolbox, look for plugins, Animation Spoofer, and paste it here. Okay, and you're gonna see the animation. You're just gonna convert it. You're gonna submit, copy, and paste on the grab. You're gonna paste it on animation ID. After you've done it, you can close the Animation Spoofer. You're gonna go to starter, player, starter character script, and we're gonna start the local script. To do is gather some services, and after that you're gonna define the folder and the remote. You're gonna do a cooldown, and then define the player and the character. That's the starting point. Enable both of these humanoid states because they're gonna fling the character, and then you want to define your animation track and already load it, so when we play the animation it plays smoother and faster. What you want to do is start an input again, which is like when the player inputs something, the user input service is gonna recognize and start this function. It's gonna connect this function. The game process event, which is like when you're typing on chat and anything, like when you accidentally press a button. So to do this, because it's gonna like return and end the function, so it's gonna do nothing basically, and then you can start cooking. Place your key code. I chose Z because it's a good one, and you can choose whatever key code you want. Also, you can't be on cooldown, so not cooldown. Then turn the cooldown on because you're in the middle of a function, and if you don't turn the cooldown to true, it's gonna like you can use the skill 1,000 times and with no delay, so it's gonna break the game. After that, that's a bit of a piece of code, but I'm gonna explain to you, so don't worry. What it is basically doing is we're creating a hitbox, welding the hitbox to the character. Then we're gonna create a damage table with nothing because we're gonna add like the characters we get, like the targets, and we are also creating a parameter for the hitbox. I'm like excluding all of this. We're gonna create two connections. First one is gonna be our hitbox. It's gonna find all the parts inside the hitbox and create a table with it, which basically if it already has damage, like so if it already has welded the character, it won't weld again. Now let's do the second connection, which is the damage application. I'm going to explain to you guys too, but it's kind of easier. And now when we get the hit keyframe, we're gonna check if the damage table, so like if it's different from ill, so has a character, then we're gonna apply damage to it by firing the server to apply the cooldown, and yeah, we're set. So that's all we're gonna need for the local script. Define the remote, the physics service, so we can avoid like problems with the welding, and we're gonna create two local functions for, so like this part is not really important, so just like the first part is gonna weld the two players, and the second part is gonna unweld them. And also with the collision group, the first part is gonna create like the no collisions between them so they don't collide, and the second one is gonna remove the collision so they can collide again. So if arg stop purpose equals weld, then what we want to do is weld the players. else if args.purpose equals damage, then we're gonna apply the damage, which is like everything inside the damage table is set to be like a character, so like targets who our character hit it, and we're gonna take damage. We're gonna restore the character so it like doesn't stays bloated or stays with the collision group. It has the knockback effect, but not a like a angular knockback effect, so we added like 20 on the y axis. At the end, we just destroy the body velocity after 5.5 seconds, and let's see how it turns out, guys. So yeah, we have character and press hitbox and boom. Yeah, good job, let's go. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you have any errors, let me know in the comments.